eye contact. It's looking right at you. Following distance should be about 3 or 4 seconds. And right now you do have about 3 or 4 seconds. You know how to calculate that?
Kinda.
Let's use the train tracks. When he reaches the train tracks, 1001, 1002, 1003, we got to the train tracks in 3 seconds. Yeah, there was one of those trucks there.
Yeah.
Okay, so this guy's signaling, and he might slow down quite a bit in order to get over maybe a little ledge or something that doesn't break any ball joints or anything. And your speed limit is good. You're 50 here. When there's no sign posted, what's the assumed speed limit?
Is it 40 or 50?
It's 50.
Okay.
That's city limits. On the highways, the assumed speed limit is 80. Just before the lights here, we're going to move into the right lane. Yeah.
Somebody else.
Because you're changing, technically you're changing lanes, and because you're crossing over a white line. Yeah, and we're going to keep going straight here. You're lucky you live right close to Tim Hortons.
Yeah, and Wendy's, Dairy Queen, everything.
Yeah, nice. We're going to be turning right onto the Kingsway.
Is that from our turning signal on here?
Right here, yeah, you got her. Right after the driveway.